'07 Ford Ranger 4-cylinder with a 2.3 liter engine. This is my father-in-law's truck. He was having a problem with intermittent AC. When it worked, it blew cold. When it didn't work, you still got air through the vents, but it was warm air. Problem turned out to be the AC clutch relay. It was a cheap and easy fix, and that relay is located in a fuse box in the back right corner of the engine bay. Here's the fuse box to get the cover off. There's a little tab right there. You lift up on that. The AC relay back here, the one that was bad, fuel pump and fuel injector relay, and the washer pump relay. Those are all the same, and those are interchangeable. But if you're having an AC problem and you're trying to figure out if this relay is bad, swap the AC clutch relay out with the washer pump relay, not this one. Leave this one alone. Because if you put a bad relay here, the fuel pump and injectors aren't going to work, your car's not going to start. So let me crank it up, turn on the AC, and show you what I'm talking about. I'm on max AC, temperature as cold as it'll get, fan wide open. And you can see that the compressor clutch is not spinning. But when I pull that bad relay out and swap it with the washer pump relay, which when you take this out, you have to spin it around to get it to fit back here. The pins are lined up a little differently. I'll change camera angle a little bit. You can see the AC clutch right down here. It's not spinning. Now I'm back at the fuse box. When I push that relay in, it kicks on. When I pull the relay out, it cuts off. Push it back in, and it's back on. So that's how we figured out that the relay was the problem. Don't take this one out, because that's your fuel pump and fuel injectors. If you do that, your car's going to die. All right, here's the replacement relay from AutoZone. Brand is Four Seasons, part number 35874. Now, it's a smaller relay physically, but it has the same connections down below, the same terminals. We marked the bad relay with an X, so I know that one stays out. I'm going to put one good relay go into the washer pump, and the new relay we decided to put on the fuel pump and fuel injectors. We figured that was the most important spot to have a brand new relay, because if that one goes bad, it'll leave you stranded. So let me start it back up, make sure everything works. All right, it started up, as you can tell. AC clutch is spinning. Let me walk around and test the washer pump. Yep, everything's good. All right, that's it. It's fixed for $17. This should be good information, not just for Ford Rangers and Mazda B-Series trucks, which Ford Rangers and those are basically interchangeable. Pretty much any car is going to have a fuse panel with an AC clutch relay in it, and you can probably swap out relays just like I showed you in this video to try and diagnose the problem. I got to end the video with a correction. There's a reason the relay shown in the video, this relay, there's a reason it was smaller, because it's not meant for a Ford Ranger. I found that out when I was pulling up this web page so that I could put a link to it in the description below. And right here, doesn't fit your vehicle, and the vehicle is an 07 Ford Ranger. So even though it snapped in and worked, everything's running fine, it wasn't meant for a Ford Ranger. So I want to get one that was, which is this, a Duralast Relay 19283. And in addition to fitting an 07 Ford Ranger, it also fits over 4,000 other vehicles, including 1,863 Ford vehicles. So the link in the description below will take you to this relay, which is the right relay for an 07 Ford Ranger and 4,000 other vehicles. Sorry for any confusion. Hope this clears it up, and thanks for watching.